Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the filter that creates bokeh. Use a 50 mm or longer lens because you need a shallow depth of field. This makes highlights bloom. Cut 1 or 2 tissue paper layers into a roughly 2-3-inch circle and stack them. Then, puncture a centered hole about 3-5 mm. Smaller hole increases point definition. Once done, gently secure the tissue over the lens with a rubber band or tape, making sure it's taut but not deforming the optical path. Now configure camera and scene to exaggerate bokeh. Open the aperture to its widest useful setting, f/1, 8 to f/4, because that reduces depth of field and enlarges background highlights. Position small point light sources like string lights or distant street lights 3 to 10 feet behind your subject so they render as distinct highlights. Switch to manual focus and slowly shift focus back and forth until those highlights become finished by capturing a sequence and checking results. Meter and bracket exposures by about plus or minus 1 stop to preserve highlight detail without clipping. Varying exposure helps find the best balance of glow and texture. If the bokeh looks muddy or lacks definition, remove a tissue layer or slightly enlarge the central hole to increase contrast. If edges need sharpening, move the light sources farther away or micro-adjust focus. Once satisfied, shoot a series with different distances and apertures to lock in the desired bokeh character.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.